she's away.
Here, I'll hold this one. You sit down on the floor so Mommy can look at Mommy so she can see what it is. Maya's not going to get it. Daddy will keep Maya. Maya. Here, come here. Sit down. Turn around. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy so she can see.
Just sit down and
There
open
you go.
it real
That's
fast.
good. Now open it real quick. Ready, go. Oh. You're almost there? Oh. What is it?
I love it.
What do we say? What's that?
What do you say? Say it louder.
Can't hear you. What do you say? Let me see. Do we like this? Or do we love it? Yeah. Here, okay, that's a nice one. Let's see what this one's a nice one too. Let's see what's in that one. Show mine. Cheese.
Yeah, look at me.
Look at Sarah. That's a good one. Go. Open it. Dun, 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 dun. What could it be? What could it be? What color is that box?
Send this one out.
I don't know. What's in that one?
Please.
There you go. What's in there?
Oh.
Come here.
Just rip it.
Rip it.
Just rip
Here,
it.
Rip the
rip
box.
it right here.
Oh,
What's in here?
I don't know. What's in there?
I don't know how to get you.
What's that? What is it? It's a purse with gloves and a necklace. Wow. And a backpack. And a hat.
Maya?
Let's see what the hat looks like. Hold still so we can get a picture, then you can take it off, okay? Okay, turn around. Look at it. Look at Mommy. Come on, just real quick.
Okay.
How cute.